Unong ilam ke Congress Legislative Party ba Ronnie v Lyngdoh ne kesengi ulong ke Jingjia rai penrem jong MP ke Congress bolongru unong ilam Ahmad du ke seng Rahul Gandhi kadi ke Jingma ke Synshar Paidbah pad ba ke Jingjia slot ye ke sugi MP na u kathau ba omdan jakashu banyakhun mukot duma pad ula bancha pensange sendan banyakhun MP hadun rusnem.
This is a very dangerous trend. This is a threat to democracy when opposition leaders are arrested and the disqualification was so fast, leaves no room for an appeal. Yes, he may have said something, but then I think this only shows that the defamation case was pre-planned, predetermined, is to get a reason to disqualify him as an MP, and once convicted, then you're disqualified, ineligible to contest in the next 6 years. So this is a very dangerous trend. I think it has never happened in the history of independent India. We're on a very, very unjustified reason to disqualify the leader of a political party, and that also a national party. There'll be a meeting through Zoom at 5 o'clock. So we will express opposition to this arbitrary arrest of our leader, Rahul Gandhi.
Uba Ronnie ulong ru ba ke Jingjia kiam jungu ompat jujia koit nadu bayo lai luit kari ba kalong ke bomla pediang bunong ilam ke sengsan perthai jong kari uncha rai penrem kumne.